Good morning, friends and fam. Welcome to a new edition of Midweek Tax Help. And I'm actually calling this one Mid-Season Midweek Tax Help because there have been some changes that have come about now that we're halfway through the tax filing season. I'm Latoya Tillett with Tax Plus Financial Services. You can reach us on the web at taxplus-financialservices.com. That's all spelled out, or on Instagram and Facebook at Tax Plus Financial Services. Or you can reach us by phone, 909-494-2280. So what are these new mid-season changes that I'm talking about? The biggest one you may have been hearing about so far is the change to the exemption in unemployment. So Congress has passed legislation that has exempted $10,200 of the unemployment benefits that most Americans received last year during 2020. So what does that mean for you? What that means is if you received over $10,200 or, up to $10,200, that unemployment money is now exempt from being taxable income to you. I know before when I had done a video where I was telling everyone, hey, make sure you have taxes withheld from your unemployment because you're going to be taxed on all the money. That was true until recently. So this is what they do. They like to throw curveballs at us. So, when you're in the tax and financial industry, you have to keep up with the laws, and they change very rapidly sometimes. And sometimes they stay the same for years. So, with the current pandemic and everything that's going on, there have been changes literally almost every other day. And so I know it gets a little taxing trying to keep up with everything. So I'm trying to give you guys a quick little update as to what's going on. So those of you who have already filed your taxes and you had unemployment claimed on there, they are still kind of in the process of trying to figure out what they want to do with you. If they want to just send you a credit for the amount that you shouldn't have been taxed on, or possibly have you amend your tax returns. So those are some of the possibilities that are out there. For those of you who have not filed yet and you do have unemployment on your tax returns, it is suggested that you wait at this time until all of the legislation from the IRS and Congress has been updated and they are able to update the systems and the softwares that the tax preparers use. Okay, so if you haven't filed yet and you have unemployment, please wait until everything has been updated before you file. Another change that has also come about is the increase in the child tax credit. Now, unlike the unemployment exemption, it is not retroactive. That is actually child tax credit for 2021. So with the new child tax credit amount, it will be $3,000 for kids 7 to 17, or dependents, I would say, 7 to 17, or $3,600 for children 6 and under. And what they're going to do with those payments, instead of making us wait until we file our taxes next year to receive it, they're going to start sending us advanced payments of about $350 a month. I don't know, the numbers keep kind of fluctuating, so we won't really know until everything is solidified. But as of right now, it's either $300 or $350 that will start being advanced to us monthly starting in July of 2021. So, okay, let me backtrack so you guys get it. The unemployment exemption of the $10,200 is retroactive. So that's retroactive to the 2020 tax year. Tax year. The child tax credit is an advancement, and that's in place for 2021, okay? With the exemption, going back to the unemployment exemption, if you did receive over $10,200, that means that the first $10,200 of your unemployment money that you received will be exempt from taxes. So that will help a lot of people out. But, right now everything's kind of up in the air, but I just wanted to give you guys some updates so you at least know what's going on. There's also been an update to the tax premiums that you all pay if you purchase health insurance